How's it going? In this training video, I'm going to show you how to use the search engine capabilities of AssetAsyst. Now you can access the search engine from any page in the system. Up on the top right here, next to the notification bell and the help icon, we have this magnifying glass, which is the search icon. Now if you click that, it will take you to the search engine page. In addition to that, from the home page, we've got this little search box here. Now if we click that, we actually get a miniature pop-up version of the same search engine. We also have this advanced searches list link, which will take us again directly to the search engine page. So what's this all about? The best way to think of this is it's like a Google search in AssetAsyst. So we've got our search box at the top here, and you'll see if you click on it, you'll get a list of your previous searches. So we can type anything we want in here and just click search, and it will find us the results. Anything in the system that matches that search term. You can see we've got some things here. The search results are paged, so you can see here we've got 5 pages of results. Now also, like a Google search, there are multiple search types. So in Google you've got your plain text search, and then you've got an image search, a video search, etc. In AssetAsyst we have an asset search, an inspection search, a defect search, and a work request search. Now you've probably noticed these other controls down here. So what are they about? Well, again, like in a Google search, there are advanced things that you can do. For example, we can choose a customer. And you'll notice that that's put up into our search term, customer : pitt&sherry. So there are a lot of codes that you can put into the search. But you don't have to know those codes. You can just use these controls. You can select what you want, and it will add it up into the actual search string. Another thing to note is this little structures button here. Now by default, the asset search will search all asset types, roads, buildings, whatever's in the system. But if you just want to search for structure assets, bridges, culverts, and marine structures, then you just click that, and that will just automatically add the asset class structure to the beginning of your search. That's just a nice, quick and easy shortcut. Now, something important to understand about these filters. Their only purpose is to edit what's up in this search box. The filters themselves don't affect the search. They're just an easier way to fill in the box up here. So that can lead you to fall into a couple of little traps. So for example, if we chose asset class bridge and we did a search to find all the bridges, and then we go, all right, now let's have a look at the culverts. You'll see that it's added subclass bridge and subclass culvert. Now, no asset is going to be both a bridge and a culvert, so that's not going to find any results. So what you want to do after each search is clear your search text and start fresh. Now, another interesting thing about this, which is kind of a little exception to that, if we type a number into the asset number, and we type a different number, you'll see that it's actually comma separated them. Now, we can actually do a search over multiple asset numbers using a list with commas. So we've got a little list of 4 asset numbers there. So we'll do that search. And there's the bridges. Now we've got this little icon here next to the search box. If we click that, we get some additional filters. So the default view just shows you the most important ones, but you can get more. And a lot of these are specific to structure type assets. But there's some interesting things in here. We can check to see if something has level 1, level 2, level 3 inspections. We've got risk score ranges and chainage ranges. We've got our tags, so assets and attachments can both be tagged. So we can search here for anything that has a particular tag. And we can combine these together in any way we want. So if we go to usage and select road, so we want to find any road bridges on which we have done a maintenance plan. So if I do that search, I'll find there's the answer, Tasman Bridge and Batman Bridge. So a couple of other things to note on this page. First of all, we've got this view on map link. Now if we click this, it'll take us back to the home page, and it will filter the map to just those search results. Also note though that this filtering of the map only applies to structure assets. So anything else that we've got on the map, like the linear defects and simple assets and roads, they'll all still show. But for clarity, I've just turned those off, and we can see here now that the only 2 points on the map are here in Tasmania. We've got the Tasman Bridge down there, and we've got the Batman Bridge up there. So if you want to see your search results visually, that's how you can do that. The other thing is that we've also got this download structure assets shapefile link. Now this will export the search results as an Esri shapefile, which you can then load into a GIS application. And it's pretty simple. You click it, it generates it, and then it'll pop up as a download. So that's the basics of how the search engine works in AssetAsyst. Happy searching!